Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Bose AE2 SoundLink with Android smartphone. And to do this, we'll need to power on our headphones first. Now the only way to connect your headphones is to use a Bluetooth or the jack plug, but we're going for the wireless connection here. And you can't connect it with any app as they don't work on Bose Music. Now open Bluetooth on your phone and scroll down to available devices. Here, to enter pairing mode, you will need to pull up the button to the Bluetooth till you hear the sound identification, and here we have our headphones. Click on them and then select pair. Now the headphones are successfully connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.